G'day guys, Wayne and Judy from Down Under. This is a Mitsubishi CU865. So we've picked this up. I've just made the extension table for it. And it was just too fast for me. So what we decided to do was see how we could actually scale it down. So as you can see, there is a 1-inch pulley, and this is what we swapped over. So we've reduced it dramatically. So I can now handle this. So what I'm going to try and do is just show you a much better So just by dropping a pulley, but the thing you need to watch is if you've got a machine that has an oil pump on it, when you first start it each time, make sure you take the thread out and give it high speed for a little while to get the oil round, and then go back to your normal lower speed. It's not the perfect answer, but we'll keep the original gear for it, because hopefully as we start using it we'll probably find that this is too slow and we may need to go back to the original pulley. So this is only hopefully just a temporary measure. So here we go, the CU865. An absolute gorgeous. It's only a little cylinder arm, so you've only got a 3-inch cylinder arm, and really pleased. So this is Wayne and Judy signing off.